because after I gave birth with my younger one, we didn't know that he has a medical condition that needs a lot of head surgeries and bone surgeries. So it needs a lot of support from me. So being said that, I am so grateful that I found this digital business at the right time. Because of this, I'm able to stay at home with him and be able to take him to the appointments at the hospital almost every day, to be honest with you. Not during this pandemic, but before that one, we were almost every day at the hospital. And because of this business, I'm able to stay at home with him and be able to do that one. So, you know what? I only wish for $500 a month before, because, you know, just to cover a little bit expenses for just the food cost, to be honest with you. But then because of this business, the biggest ever that I got in a day is $1,500. And I'm so grateful because I'm able to, give a nice food on the table for my family. And one thing more that I'm able to do because of this business, we were able to travel. Last year, we went home to the Philippines for 2 months, and for so many reasons. And one of the reasons is to go and visit my mom who fought cancer. And because of this business, we were able to send her to the biggest and most expensive hospital to get a medical treatment. And you know what, guys, if it's not because of this business, we won't be able to give that one to my mom. And one thing more is my son is 15-year-old and he is in the Army Cadet. He has been selected to go and visit the 3 countries in Europe, and that is a privilege. So because of this business, I am able to cover the half of the cost of the trip for him to be able to do that one. And you know what, guys, this is not only a financial thing. I gain a lot of things in this business. Personal growth. I'm able to not worry about the bills. Even when I'm traveling, I'm not worried about, I'm not really emotionally, distressed, to be honest with you, because when I gave birth with my second child, we were not really ready financially, emotionally, and mentally. But because of this business, we were able to settle, and because of this one, we are so happy and contented. And, I can afford to travel with my kids already. So I think, you know what, guys, there is a purpose why you click that button right now. And to be honest with you, I didn't even look for something like this before. It just popped up. And I know that this is something that I have to consider because, I am not considering going back to work anymore. I used to work 14 to 16 hours a day. And, we also have a small business at the time. But then because of this business, we closed that, because of this opportunity, we closed that small business, and I didn't go back to work anymore to work 14 to 16 hours. And I didn't take my son to a daycare, and, it's not going to be worth it for me to send my child to a daycare and half of my salary goes to them. So basically, it's just an amazing to be in this community. Having this beautiful opportunity, a business it's I don't know, it's just so amazing. So click that button now, guys. There is a purpose why you are here. Okay, thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing that.